grandpa, to papa, to me.
Okay.
يا شباب حبايبي follow us على قهوة ود علي. طبعا ستجدوا ما يسركم. وتعالوا هنا enjoy the بقلاوة, enjoy the tea. واللي بده قهوة بنعمل له قهوة. just make sure you follow us على قهوة ود علي, لأنه بصراحة this guy he is بيجي عندي هون يعني صار له سنين وسنين. he's one of my best customers. of course احنا هون بفريمونت, يعني انتم عارفين شو فريمونت, one of the best areas in بالاكل العربي والتركي والافغاني.
شكرا حبيبي, شكرا
حبيبي anytime. على كيفك.
زين ان شاء الله زين.
don't forget my كنافة. I got the best كنافة for you.
شكرا حبيبي, اهلا وسهلا. The only thing I know that.
والله يا حبيبي اهلا وسهلا.
Okay.
مرحبا, مرحبتين.
Awesome. شو اخبارك, زين ان شاء الله؟
والله انت شكلك عايش في السعودية ولا بدبي.
اها. This is my filled steak, yeah?
هاي الفيل ستيك لحضرة جناب علي, which is you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh.
Oh, that's so yummy.
يعني يخرب بيتكم, شو بدكم احلى من هيك؟ يلعن حرمكم عرس, والله ما في احلى من هيك. وشو اشلح يعني, اشلح. تعالوا كلوا.
What do you say?
Don't worry, they got it.
Oh, you got it? Oh. My great audience, if you guys, I don't know what he's talking about, but I hope you're talking good. Oh, thank you so much. That's
والله لو تعيشوا 100 سنة ما رح تلاقوها. خلصونا عاد, حريشكم. This is the chicken shawarma, حبيبي.
okay.
Most people here come to test my chicken from, believe it or not, people come from Sacramento
Oh my God!
to eat this
Like-
chicken.
2-hour drive. They are coming to the Fada restaurant and they test the chicken shawarma. Wow.
They come, when they taste my chicken,
Okay.
wallahi they will never forget it. They taste this chicken, that's it.
That's it. It's like,
They get stuck for life.
yeah.
Show. Look at the golden balls.
Wow.
Look at these golden balls, حبيبي.
مرحبا مرحبا.
يلا.
يلا خير يلا.
Let's go. Chicken Mediterranean pie? Alright, you got it. Last?
Good thing, the Fada is my good friend. They tell me, if you come and this restaurant, tell Coffee with Ali YouTube channel, they give you from total cost, they give you 10% off, or you got free baklava, free Arabic, natural Arabic baklava free. Also, if you not want to get free baklava, you get 10% off from your total cost, your order. Guys, have an amazing day. Take care. Take a picture. So, guys, my order is ready. Chicken fillet with salad, tail steak, french fries with falafel. I'm gonna start from chicken fillet. The bread, see? This is Arabic bread. It looks yummy. Let's start from here. I'm gonna start here. Wow. Chicken fillet is really good. Let's put a little bit of sauce on top of it. Try it. Amazing, guys. There's some salad. The chicken, it's really good. Tasty. The saffron rice is called saffron. This is really good. And the sauces, they are making their own sauce. Awesome. Just like the scallop steak. Look at this guy. Bell pepper, onion, cheese, and gyro inside. Onion, cheese, beef, bell pepper, and garlic sauce. Wow, so tasty. Really, really awesome. The gyro sauce, chewy, awesome. Grilled cheese inside your mouth. Definitely, I recommend filled steak. If you guys didn't get filled steak, start get filled steak. Filled steak is amazing, guys. Yeah, very good, guys. See the color, golden color. Times for very famous dishes, falafel. And you are very famous with falafel.
Yes. Thanks, sir.
Very hot. Artibanas. It's amazing. It's so delicious. I definitely, guys, recommend you guys around the Fremont. I'm gonna write down the name of the restaurant and the description button, and the address I'm gonna put there. And just come test the tail steak, shawarma, falafel. Amazing, guys. When you eat the shawarma, you feel back home in Arabic country. It's very hard to find out this kind of gyro or shawarma with tail steak in the US. It's really hard to find out because these guys come back home and doing here, doing very great job. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your family, friends, and we really need your support. Have a great time. Have a great, amazing day. Bye.